Candace. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with me today. On this video, we're going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for June 2020. This is a $15 a month subscription and you're guaranteed at least 2 full-size products, which is awesome. And the value is supposed to be at least $110. So let's get into this and see what I got in this month's box. By the way, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and click the notification bell if you want to see any future unboxings of mine. Right on top, we have a little magazine, they call it, but it's just basically a brochure of all the items that we got in this month's box. This box looks quite intriguing because right on top I see this huge box from Pure Lease, and let's see what's inside of this. This is a full-size Pure Lease watermelon and charcoal purifying cleanser. This is what I was trying to tell you guys. Like, Allure Beauty Box is under the radar, but they give like 2 full-size products at least every month. This is so fun. This smells legitimately like summer in a cleanser. Oops. So I'm wondering if this is gonna be like dark, like a black charcoal. It's like clear, but a little bit of darkness. Like normally when I think of charcoal and charcoal face wash and mask, it's like black. And I actually like it that it's not like over charcoaly, so I'm excited to try it because I've never tried a product like that. So awesome! The next item in this box looks super fun. It's not a makeup product, but it is a nail product by Dashing Diva. These are really pretty. These are nail strips, kind of like Color Street nails. Like I wear Color Street nails a lot on my hands. It also comes with a nail file, but it has really cute, like a really cute variety. So the top row is like a gray row with a couple of ones with gold accents, and all of these on the bottom are accent pieces. This is a really fun addition to the box. I love getting this. I do like these glittery ones a lot. Actually, they're all really fun. So you can create your own look or just use some accent pieces. Wow, my gosh, these are so pretty. I thoroughly enjoy getting stuff for my nails, so this is a pretty cool thing. I've been enjoying using my Color Street nails, so I'm sure I'm gonna have a great time using that. What is this? How am I supposed to say that? The next tube right here is by, I'm sorry if I'm saying this wrong, La Roche-Posay. This is Active C10, and this is vitamin C serum, and it is supposed to be anti-wrinkle concentrate. So I will try it, and I'm not going to say the name again, but it's this little tube right here, and it says it's vitamin C, that it does not sting. This looks like medication, like the way that you have to like stab the top with the cap. This feels like a medicated treatment, so I'm gonna read up on this before I try it. So yeah, Active C10. This next box we have here is a lip oil from Yensa. This is a Super 8 lip oil. I've never tried a lip oil before. The color is quite pink. It's actually a very bright pink. I assume that it comes out a lot less pigmented than the color in the tube. So let's see. It actually comes out pretty close to being clear. This scent just brought me back to like junior high and like the lip smackers craze of my time. Sorry, I was just reminiscing for a minute. This took me back. It just like legit took me back. Oh, that is so cool. All right, the next little bottle I have here is from Belief. I feel like I see a lot of Belief products in the Allure Beauty Box, but this one is different because I don't recognize the top on this one. So this is the tube. It does have one of those false bottoms, so you don't get quite as much product as you think you will. This is the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera style. Here's the lid. It's like a really cute picture of a happy aloe vera plant. I'm almost like on the verge of getting a sunburn on my chest, so this will probably be really good after the sun. This will be good for summer with the aloe. It should give a nice extra benefit to our skincare, so that'll be good. And then lastly, which is stuffed in here pretty good, it's a face mask. It's not just your standard face mask, it actually has an oil, so you would use this oil serum first, and then rub that all into your skin and then put the face mask on. This is like cool. This is a 2-step face mask, and wow, this is by Star Skin, so I'm excited to try that. 4 full-size products in the Allure Beauty Box this month, you guys. This is awesome. And this was awesome. This just like took me back to like my good days, my super fun days. And then 2 little tryout sizes. So that's everything in my Allure Beauty Box for June 2020. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget, you guys, click on that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I would love it if you go ahead and support me in that way. And if you like these kind of unboxing videos, click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. And until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!